Hi everyone, I'm Lottie and I'm a wellness and foodie blogger here in London, and today I'm going to be showing you how I make some of my favourite delicious recipes. And we're going to start off with this raw rainbow pad thai. I'm also going to be making a really tasty peanut and Manuka honey sauce dressing to go on top. This one has an MGO level of 40, so really great nutritional supplement. So we've prepped all of the ingredients. We've got courgette, carrots, red pepper, spring onion. I'm going to be using some tofu and some cashews, some edamame beans. So we are going to be popping all of the veggies into a bowl and mixing that all together to start with. I'm just going to use my hands to kind of get that all mixed in together. So all we've got to do now is pop the tofu in there, the edamame beans, and then make the sauce. So I'm just going to square and chop up the tofu. So we're just going to add all of that in with the veggies, and then we're going to pop the edamame beans in, which are a good source of plant protein. So I'm just going to pop that to one side while we make this delicious sauce. And I'm going to make it in the NutriBullet, but you can hand mix it as well. So what we're going to use is 1 tablespoon of tamari, and then we've got a tablespoon of sesame oil. Okay, so now 2 teaspoons of the Manuka honey, and this just gives a nice sweetness to this savoury dish. And then we're just going to put the lime juice in that we've already prepped, 1 clove of garlic that's been crushed, a little pinch of chilli, and 2 lovely tablespoons of smooth peanut butter, and then about roughly 2 tablespoons of water just to help it kind of blend up. A little pinch of salt and pepper. Okay, so now we're going to whiz it all up. Okay, so now we're going to pour this delicious sauce in with that yummy vegginess. So I'm just going to get 2 spoons and I'm going to mix that all in. I'm going to pop in the cashew nuts, and then we're just going to pop it into 2 bowls and serve. And there you have it. I hope that you try this recipe. It's so delicious with that peanut and sweet sauce and gives you that hit of Manuka honey. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.